Alright, today I'll be showing you guys my Puritii Air filter when it's open up. Got the replacements in so you can see the inside. Here is the old 7-stage filter. Here's a brand new one. Behind it you see all the honeycomb grill with all the beads. Pretty simple, 7 stages, pretty easy to install. You just follow that arrow pointing back into the box. Make sure the tab is facing you, this tab right here. Goes right in, bottom first. And then here we go, this is the front cover which will attach the washable filter. Got a brand new one so I can just toss the old one away. Same strategy, bottom first, top last. I'm gonna need to press these corners in right here. Make sure it's completely in. Make sure the tab's facing out too, so when you're gonna go wash it, easy to take out. There it is. Alright, now we're just gonna put it right back. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. Also magnetic, so top to bottom. And here we have it. New filters for the Puritii Air. Here's a couple buttons right here. This will turn on the fan. Kind of muted the video. It's got 4 levels. Ranges from its loudness. Power buttons on the right. That'll turn it off. Okay. This one right here, that's actually the check engine light. And that's the ionizing needle button. Turn your ionize on and off. There we have it.